We're going to show you how to cook a Baowli Jheenga, king prawns, peppers and tomatoes tossed in a sauce with wonderful aromatic spices.
Clean, wash and dry the prawns. Marinate prawns with 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of turmeric powder and 10 grams of red chilli paste. Heat 30 millilitres of oil and cook the chopped garlic until golden brown. Add the diced onion and cook without a change in colour for 2 minutes. Add the crushed black pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fresh tomato paste and cook for a minute. Add the red chilli paste and salt as per taste. Add all the mixed diced peppers and potatoes, cover and cook for a minute. Leave simmering. In a separate pan, heat the remaining 20 ml of oil, add the marinated prawns and cook for a minute. Remove prawns from the oil and add to the simmering sauce and mix well. Sprinkle a chopped spring onion and fresh coriander leaves on top, then serve hot.